The iPhone 17 Pro has been making waves, but not for reasons you might expect. A fresh leak has revealed a potential design shift, and it's sparking mixed reactions. Some users are excited about the change, while others remain skeptical. So what's really going on? Let's break it all down. For quite some time, speculation has been circulating about a major redesign of the iPhone 17 Pro's camera. Earlier leaks hinted at a horizontal camera layout similar to what's found on Google's Pixel series. However, a newly surfaced image suggests a slightly different approach. Instead of a perfectly straight camera arrangement, Apple might retain its signature triangular lens setup, but within a bar that stretches across the back. Along with the three cameras, the flash, microphone, and LiDAR scanner are reportedly positioned in a vertical alignment at one end of the module. This tweak could give the phone a fresh two-tone appearance, making it visually distinct from past models. A recently leaked case design seems to confirm this rumor, fueling even more debate among Apple fans. Not everyone is thrilled about this possible change. While some users hope for an entirely new look, growing evidence suggests that Apple is sticking with familiar design elements. Apple has a track record of introducing bold design updates that initially faced criticism. Think back to the introduction of the notch on the iPhone X or the dynamic island on recent models. At first, many users disliked these changes, but over time they became defining features of the devices. So even if this new design isn't widely accepted at first, history suggests that opinions may shift once people actually get their hands on the device. Adding to the uncertainty, a well-known insider, Majin Buu, has shared another image hinting at a taller camera bar, leading to even more speculation. Meanwhile, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has suggested that some of these leaks might be misleading, meaning Apple's actual plans could be different from what we're seeing now. With so many conflicting reports, the final design remains uncertain. As to the front of the iPhone 17 Pro, reports indicate there won't be any significant changes. The dynamic island is expected to remain the same size, so the front design may not look much different from its predecessor, the iPhone 16 Pro. Another major topic of discussion is the materials Apple might use. Some reports claim that the iPhone 17 Pro feels noticeably lighter, raising speculation that Apple could replace the titanium frame with aluminum. While this would reduce weight, it might also sacrifice the premium feel that titanium introduced with the iPhone 15 Pro models. If Apple does make this switch, they'll need to ensure that the phone still maintains a high-end look and feel while improving its overall weight distribution. Now let's talk about the cameras. Several leaks suggest that all four cameras, including the three on the back and the selfie camera, could be upgraded to 48 megapixels. If this turns out to be accurate, it would mark a significant jump in image quality, potentially making the iPhone 17 Pro one of the best camera phones on the market. Under the hood, the device is rumored to feature Apple's next generation N19 chip, built using TSMC's latest 3nm process. This upgrade is expected to deliver even better performance and efficiency, keeping Apple at the forefront of smartphone innovation. So, what's the bottom line? Right now, there's still a lot of uncertainty surrounding the iPhone 17 Pro's design. Some leaks indicate that Apple is shifting to a horizontal camera bar, while others suggest this could be inaccurate. The front is likely to remain unchanged, and Apple might be considering a switch to aluminum for a lighter build. However, the camera upgrades could be a major selling point, especially for photography enthusiasts. One thing is for sure, the iPhone 17 Pro is already generating a huge buzz, and we still have months to go before its official release. Whether the rumored design changes turn out to be a hit or not, this phone will undoubtedly be a hot topic in the tech world. What are your thoughts? Do you like the rumored camera layout, or do you prefer Apple's traditional design? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is generating a lot of buzz, and the latest leaks suggest it could bring one of the biggest improvements we've seen in foldable phones. Samsung has spent years refining its foldable display technology, and now there's strong evidence that they may have finally made a major breakthrough in reducing the crease that appears on the screen when the device is unfolded. Anyone who has used a foldable phone knows that the crease in the middle of the display has been one of the biggest complaints. While last year's Galaxy Z Flip 6 showed some improvement, the crease was still noticeable, especially under bright light. However, if the latest reports are accurate, the Flip 7 could be the closest we've ever come to a seamless foldable display. This information comes from a well-known source who claims Samsung has made significant advancements in hinge technology. While it's unlikely the crease will disappear entirely, it is expected to be far less visible, which could make a big difference in everyday use. A smoother display would improve the experience when scrolling, watching videos, or playing games, making the device feel more premium. Beyond the crease reduction, there are rumors that Samsung could introduce ProScaler technology, which was first seen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This feature enhances display quality in real time, making visuals sharper and more vibrant. If this makes its way to the Flip 7, it could deliver one of the best looking screens ever seen on a foldable phone. Additionally, Samsung may introduce a new flexible glass material to improve durability. Foldable screens have traditionally been more fragile than regular smartphone displays, so a stronger material could reduce the risk of scratches and cracks, giving users more confidence in daily use. However, aside from these display improvements, other upgrades may be more subtle. The overall design is expected to remain similar, with only minor refinements to make the device thinner and lighter. Camera upgrades might also be limited, which could be a disappointment for those hoping for better photography capabilities. Samsung's foldable phones have never been known for having top-tier camera hardware, and it seems like that might not change this year. One aspect that could raise concerns is the choice of processor. Reports suggest that Samsung may use its in-house Exynos 2500 chip instead of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Snapdragon 8 Elite. While the Exynos 2500 is expected to offer solid performance, some users might be skeptical about how it compares to Qualcomm's chips, which have generally been more efficient and powerful in previous Samsung flagships. Battery life and thermal management will be important factors in determining whether this processor can meet user expectations. Charging speed is another area where there may not be much improvement. The Flip 7 is rumored to retain the same 25-watt wired charging as its predecessor. While this is still acceptable, it's starting to feel slow compared to other brands that offer much faster charging speeds. With competitors like OnePlus and Xiaomi pushing the limits of charging technology, Samsung's decision to stick with the same speed might not sit well with users who want to quickly recharge their devices. On the software side, Samsung is expected to introduce new AI-powered features. AI has become a major focus in the smartphone industry, with companies promising smarter photography, better performance, and an improved user experience. However, it remains to be seen whether these AI features will be genuinely useful or just another marketing strategy. So what does all of this mean for Samsung's upcoming foldable? Right now, the Flip 7 appears to be more of an incremental upgrade rather than a revolutionary one. The reduced crease, improved display quality, and potential durability enhancements could be compelling reasons to buy, but if there aren't many other standout changes, existing Flip users may not feel the need to upgrade. The competition in the foldable market is getting stronger. Brands like Motorola, Xiaomi, and Oppo are making advancements in their own foldable devices, some of which already have smaller or less visible creases. Samsung will need to ensure that the Flip 7 stands out to maintain its lead in the foldable phone space. With Samsung's next big launch event approaching, there's always a possibility that more surprises could be revealed. Until then, we'll have to wait and see if additional details emerge. What do you think about the rumored improvements? Are you excited about the reduced crease, or were you hoping for bigger upgrades? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is shaping up to be a great addition to Samsung's mid-range smartphone lineup, offering a lot of features that promise a great user experience without costing too much. Let's take a closer look at what makes this phone so exciting. First, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A36 5G is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, a processor designed to handle everyday tasks and multitasking easily. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or switching between apps, this chipset ensures smooth and efficient performance. It's a solid choice for users who need a reliable phone that can keep up with their busy lives. Next, let's talk about the display. The Galaxy A36 5G is rumored to have a 6.64-inch